In this video, we are going to talk about list and code, how the list work and how you can style this list and how to work with this code option. We are going to talk in details about list and code in this video. So let's create a new page and name it list and code. So as this list and code both are common blocks, so click on this plus icon, navigate to common blocks and find out the list first. Click on this list icon. After clicking on this list icon, you see this bullet point. This is unordered list and this is ordered list. Let me input some value here. This is first and this is second, this is third. Okay. And now if I click on this ordered list icon, now you can see this number here. And this is unordered and this is ordered. This is how it actually works. If you need to make any text as a bold, then select the text and click on this bold icon or press Ctrl B. To make it italic, just click on this I icon or press Ctrl I. That's all. And if you need to place any link on any text, just click on this link icon. This is how it actually works. And that's all about list. There's nothing complex and there is no extra options for this list option for this list block. So that's all. And now let's navigate to our code block. Just click on this plus icon, click on common blocks, then find out the code. Yeah, this is code. And now type anything here, and here you can type a caption. For example, John Doe is a demo name, and here is style option. There are two options, one is regular and another is large. If I select regular and preview it, let's see how it looks. Okay, this is general preview and let me select large and again preview it. And this is how the large code works. So that's all about code and list. Nothing complex, and I hope you have understand how to work with list and code. And in the next video, we are going to talk about audio and cover.